Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
With a great summer easy thing to make. Ooh, 3 for 3. Okay, check it out. It's so fun. It's a kendama based on that. That one is a little bit different, but this is yeah. Okay, let's get started. You need some kind of a cup, any kind of a cup. So take your cup, you could decorate it with Sharpies or stickers, you could paint it if you were feeling painty, and then you're gonna flip it over on its top, and then, let's see, you're gonna use, I used scissors, you could use an AWL, A-W-L, one of those pokey sticks. You could use a pencil. Oh, I'm gonna use a pencil because probably everybody has a pencil at home. I'm gonna go into the middle and I'm gonna make a super small hole. See it? Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay, then I've got some jewel elastic cord. I'm gonna cut off a length of elastic, and I think you could make it easier or harder by the length of your string. So now I'm gonna poke my string into the hole, and because I don't think that I could tie a knot big enough, I'm gonna use a bead. I found this fancy pink bead. And I'm going to make a double knot to make sure that it's on here really good, like that, and pull it through. Okay, that's one part. Then I have some big beads. Again, they could be different kind of beads. It could be a square bead, but it needs to be sort of a bigger bead, I think. And then I'm going to put it through. I'm going to knot it twice or 3 times. Just make sure it's really on there, because if you were playing with it and it fell off and you got hit in the head, it might not be so great. Okay, I'm going to give my string a little trim. And there you have it. This is a really long one. Bam! Bam! Wow! Wow! Okay, so easy summer fun or winter fun or anytime fun with a cup and a bead and a little bit of string. So thanks for joining us today. Take good care of yourselves.
So fun to make those.
I know, so good. Okay, bye friends.